Hi everybody, this is Steve with a cool project for the table saw. This is an outfeed support and side feed support system. I'm surprised commercial saws don't come with this as an option because it really makes everything so much easier and safer, both for preventing kickbacks and also to protect your actual back. This system uses the tube that was for the fence, and I basically built a wooden channel and mounted it to the back of the table saw and used that wooden channel for a second support area. And the legs, as you see, they fold underneath and they're held in place with magnets on the ends and then fold down to support the outfeed. And as you see in the next few videos, it'll support full sheets either going past the blade or on the side, and so you can cut thin strips off of a 4x8 sheet. So it worked out great. I'm super happy with it. It's not in the way when it's not used, and it's been a wonderful thing. Everything's been coated with polyurethane, so it's nice and slick. I do recommend that as well. Thanks. This is the side support. This is the outfeed support. Storage for the rest of the parts. Extended side support. And then this is for cutting super long boards. You can drop them in any slot you want, and it supports them on the outfeed.